Many people think that seaweed is a type of plant. Actually, it is not true. Seaweed is included as a type of algae. This alga is very unique and interesting because it can resist salt water. You can find them living in the oceans. Here are some interesting facts about seaweed. Seaweed Facts 1. The corrosive water ocean. The corrosive water ocean is not a big deal for seaweed. It is due to the fact that this alga has rubbery and thick stems. Therefore, the corrosive ocean water will never affect it. Seaweed Facts 2. Complex algae. Seaweed is included as a type of complex alga. Even though the appearance of seaweed resembles a plant, it is not a plant. The simple form of algae lives in small colonies. You can find them in pools and other water bodies. Seaweed Facts 3. The seaweed algae. Compared to the simple form of algae, seaweed algae are more complicated. It can resist the turbulence of the ocean. It can live deep inside the ocean water. Seaweed Facts 4. Photosynthesis. Seaweed can perform photosynthesis. They can create their own food by getting sunlight. The roots and leaf structures enable the seaweed to anchor and get sufficient sunlight. Seaweed Facts 5. The water environment. You can find this seaweed living in various water environments. In order to survive, it has to find out solid ground to grow. Seaweed Facts 6. The colonies. There are many types of seaweed building a colony. It reminds you of the forest located inside the water. They can grow miles away in the ocean. If the seaweed is broken, it will be washed away on the shore. Seaweed Facts 7. The reproduction. The reproduction of seaweed can occur in sexual and asexual ways. Certain types of seaweed create the male and female cells to grow new seaweed. Asexual reproduction occurs on simple seaweed. The small spores will be produced by the parent seaweed. Then it will go away from the parent and settle in a certain location and grow into seaweed. Seaweed Facts 8. The color of seaweed. Seaweed comes in various colors. You can have it in brown, red or green. Seaweed Facts 9. The most useful algae. The most useful type of algae for sea marine animals is green algae. It usually grows up to 3 feet. Marine animals like to hide and eat it. Seaweed Facts 10. The red algae. The red algae are used for the production of vegetable gelatin in different kinds of cosmetics and foods. Hope you enjoy the video.